Well, look what I found, guys. That Chevy that we got. I found its twin. It even comes equipped with a radiator, with a CB, I think. Unless it's just a coax. Well, we got some literature. Okay. Wonder if this thing... Oh. Nope, we don't want it. It won't run. And it's missing a wiper arm. We definitely don't want it. Oh. What good is it if you can't start it and hear it run? Fall in the mud yet.
Run it too low.
Daggone.
Hired help.
Yeah. You know, it's hard to find good help nowadays.
What is that? The only way I can afford it. Rough shape, you know what I'm saying? Right?
Eee. Good grief. Does anybody see the problem here? Nope. I'd call that good. I would run this tool like it is. Just like it is. It's another reason why you don't let people run your expensive equipment. What's wrong with them fingers? Yeah. Pete, I would say that they never adjusted the reel height on this.
I would say it don't look like they done anything.
Nope.
Other than destroyed it.
Yep. You can spray and plant your corn all at one time. Huh. Wow, okay. Never seen that before. Wow, what the heck? Well, it ain't too dry out that we need a fire truck. I think we'll be okay. just bare bones, and it smells like mold. Bare bones, and it smells like mold.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I've never seen a fire truck up this close.
I wonder how much volume.
Huh. That's cool. How cool is that? Yeah. Oh.
I don't think you need to.
Them would usually be the starting buttons, wouldn't they?
Here.
Right there.
Main power switch.
If this guy would move over, I could check it out.
Yeah. Well, that's what we need for our kind of a dump truck. Old Army General. It's probably got a Cummins in it. I can't even get in the... Oh, good gracious. Oh, good gracious. Let me try the passenger side door. That one opens. These things should bring back some memories. No key diesel. Oh, I'll tell you. Okay. No key diesel. What? Well, apparently this one won't start either. We don't need it, they won't run. But it sure was cool. Got a cute little dump bed on it. Every farm needs a needs a camper so you haul your toys on it. Ooh, isn't that cool? It wasn't gonna let me in. Yeah, just like our single axle has a straight 6 in it. Hydraulic brakes just like the service truck. This one might be a buy. That one definitely won't be a buy because it don't run. Well, here's what I should have bought before my little Gator. I should have bought this. This little Daihatsu. Oh. Oh, I could really see myself. Nope. Well, it's got a blower. Make sure our transmission is out of gear. And it has an hour meter in it. Yeah. We might be taking this home with us. I'd hate this fender well though. Ouch. Nope, it's too big for me. Too small, my feet hit the steering wheel. This thing would be more of a pain in the butt getting in and out of than it would be worth anything. I can't get my foot out. Oops. I might have to buy it. Ouch, with me in it. But it is cute. Cute as I'll get out. Mike P, 7810. Here's your truck. 4,900, just like our single axle. Man, somebody must have took good care of this truck. Yeah, somebody must have took really good care of this truck. It don't got no clutch in it. It don't got no air horn. Now this I could see being EB Farms lime truck, another International 4900. These things are popular. Oh, what the heck was it set up for? Yeah. Plow truck? I can't get it to shut off. Oops. I guess we'll just let it run. It won't shut off. And the highlight of the video, whatever the heck this thing is, someone please educate me. I know it was used for the military. Oh, good grief. Holy crap. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. I don't know how you start these military things. Oh dear. It must be like a safety thing in it to make sure you don't start it. Holy crap, these must be for the loader. That thing is cool. Whatever the heck this thing is. That thing looks goofy as I'll get out. Oh, we even got another row of trucks back here. Let's go check these out. How are you?
Good, Travis. How are you?
So, explain that thing to me down there. Let's go look at this thing.
All right. You've never seen one of them before?
No, I haven't seen one of them before.
Well, then Travis Eby needs one.
Why do I need one?
Well, because you might need to dig something. It's a Unimog. They're military.
Well, I can't get the darn thing running.
Here, it's a case backer.
Oh.
And it's a case loader. But this is made by Mercedes.
Okay. That don't look too comfy.
I don't think they were built for comfort. I think they were utility.
Uh-huh. But I couldn't figure out how to start it, so we don't need it. I got every other piece of equipment started here.
Yeah.
goofy
You can
thing.
drive it to the work site.
Load trucks with it on the weekend. Yeah. Now, look at this 6-axle down here. They're selling it with a Cobra CB in it. Them things are $140 brand new.
Well, there you go. You're the one who looked at that.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't have anybody to talk to on a CB. You live too far away, so.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a good running truck. I had it running just a minute ago.
It's all rusted out. It's an asphalt truck.
What's that?
It's for hauling asphalt.
Well, you know, what can you do?
Gotta build roads.
I see it had some cancer here or something.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Are you gonna go into the heavy hauling equipment side of things now? I see you looking at the Kenworth down there.
No.
Well, why not?
Well,
we got the dirt moving side of stuff. We need somebody to move our equipment. You need that,
Nope.
and you need that drop deck to go with it.
Which drop deck? That corn truck.
Isn't there a drop? Yeah.
No.
Yes, you
I
do.
don't need no trucks.
Yeah, you do.
There's a sprayer out there I'd like to get.
Uh-huh.
Gravity wagons to
Uh-huh,
put fertilizer in, but you can't afford fertilizer. So.
No, 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 no. Thank you, Grandpa Biden.
Huh?
I said thank you, Grandpa Biden.
I like that.
Uh-huh. We'll see if that ruffles some feathers on my YouTube channel.
There you go.
I really don't care. Do you need a flatbed?
I do need.
You need a flatbed. I'll buy you a flatbed. And it's even got a hook in it for a fifth wheel.
Well, it's too long for my truck. I'd have to take the.
But it's got your straps on to strap stuff down with.
I don't plan on hauling anything that heavy.
Round bales of hay. Oh, you don't round bale. You
No, I round bale.
oh, you do? Well, I've never seen any videos of you round baling.
I round baled everything this year. I only
Okay.
made-
Well, you know, here we need this here semi tractor. We need this here to so we can put a lime bed on it. I think it would handle it just fine. It would handle it just fine. I know darn well it would. Ran into J.C. Smith down there at the corner. It was a good day.